how to fix network error code 0x800704cf. So if you're having this kind of issue and you want to fix it, it's just an issue with your internet connection. So first, make sure that your internet is working just fine. Now, if your internet is not working fine, you can try to restart your router and see if those things actually help you solve the problem. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to flush the DNS of our system. So open your search bar, type in command prompt, right click on it, and then run it as an administrator. Once you launch it as an administrator, what you have to do is just have to type in this command, which is ipconfig. So ipconfig space / flush DNS. Now, flush DNS is the same word. So I repeat again, ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then just hit enter. After you've done that, it will clear the DNS of your particular connection, and after you've done that, that should most likely help you solve the problem. Now, sometimes a simple restart is also going to help you solve it. Go ahead and restart, update your Windows, and see if that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you soon as always in the next video.